Hey everybody, it's Tanya Atomic, and I am unboxing Ipsy for the month of March. It took me a second to remember the month, but for the month of March. And the first thing we've got in here is It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. So I am interested in trying that. Let's see what the size is. I do like sample size. I said this before. I like sample size mascara because it's easy to use them up in, a couple months. And then you don't have to throw away any product. Because it does go bad sooner because you're touching your eye and you've got microbes and stuff in your eye. So that's the first thing in here. And the next thing is a Firma brush. Firma Beauty. This is firmabeauty.com. Firma brush. It's an angled. Looks nice. So that's the next thing. And then we got our bag. Whoa, Power Moves. Got a little tissue there. A little red. A little yellow zipper pull. And it's blue, very cute. Let's see what's in here. So we've got our this guy, and it tells us what's in here, but I'm not gonna read it. I did just look at it, but I'm gonna ignore what I saw and put it aside so that I will be surprised by the next items. So let's see. The next thing in here is, it's in a little bubble wrap, and it's a Shayna B Miami. I have something from them, but I don't remember what it is. But I think I liked it. Oh, it's a little duo, press pigment duo, Vino and Bay Harbor. These are pretty. Oh, I'm gonna swatch them, but oh, those are really pretty. Those are really pretty. I was like, I don't want to swatch the flamingos away. But I swatched it anyway. Let's see what's in here. Janessa Myrick's Beauty Oil. What is beauty oil? Facial oil. Oh, hydrating facial. I do like facial oil. I don't have super dry skin, but I have kind of dry skin, and it's dry enough that I can use these oils. And it feels pretty nice. So, there's little flecks of, it looks like gold in there. Oh, use this lightweight, fast-absorbing dry oil. Gold leaf. So there is gold leaf in there. And it looks like it's jojoba oil, squalane, I don't know how to say that, and sunflower seed oil. So jojoba oil is good for your skin. My skin likes it, so that's nice. I don't know if the gold leaf will do anything. And then Commodity Scan Me. Oh, it's a smelly thing. Let's see. It is a paper. So it is, oh, interesting. Okay. I'm gonna spray a little bit. Whoa. That has an interesting smell. Paper is what it's called. It kind of smells like paper, you guys. It's the weirdest thing. Like, there's a little hint of, like, like the frankincense and myrrh type kind of warm kind of scents, but very light. And then there's a clean scent on top, so it kind of smells like old paper or old book or something. Not like musty kind. Or like maybe like fresh paper. I don't know. Not like musty, but like pulpy paper. I don't know what to say. Not like a paper mill. So that's good. But it's really different. I'm intrigued, and I want to see, I'm going to look them up because I do want to see what other scents they have and if they're unusual, like library corner or like telephone, no, and telephone booth or telephone, like whatever I was going to say is not going to be a good smell. So let's see, like leather. I don't know if that would be good either. lime and hollyhock. I don't know. I'm making this stuff up. But, you know, like old brown shoe might be one of the smells. Or like freshly cut elm tree. I don't know. But this is paper. It's different. I don't know if I like it as a perfume for me, but I think if I not share it. What do you call it? Mix it. If I mix it with a sweeter one, I think I might get something good because it is deep. It's interesting. Kind of like paper. Like if paper were perfume, what would that smell like? It would smell like this. How odd and cool. I don't know. So I'm going to check them out, actually. Let me know what you think. Did you get this in your Ipsy, or do you have this? Talk to me about it. What do you think? Am I describing it well? Did you get different things in your Ipsy bag? You know, it is a monthly subscription, and it's about $12 a month, and you get 5 sample items, but a lot of times you get a full size, you know, the drill, I believe. Let me know what you think in the comments below, all that good stuff. Please consider subscribing, and as always, thanks for watching.